We watched Ratatouille yesterday. Have you seen that yet?
Don't honk at people. We're all not trying to block the intersection. Don't honk. No, dude, come on.
Yep.
Fucking asshole. It wasn't the guy behind me, it was the guy next to me. That dude. I was like, do you not see the fucking intersection's full?
Yeah.
Look, it worked out fine.
Yep.
Start clutching your pearls. You're getting way too close to me. Maintain lane. Why are you fucking like... What are you doing?
What an asshole. Just force himself
fucking
in.
Idiot.
Ugh.
Who the fuck are you? Where do you work?
I don't know.
They need to clean their car. They work at Dirty Car Taxi Company.
Yeah, fuck you, Scion.
Like, I'm just gonna gradually merge into you. That's how I switch lanes. Like, what kind of fucking world do you live in?
Yeah.
Built some shitty cars, man. We're like, right... Oh, God.
That bus is...
Jesus, that kind of scared the fuck out of me. His Jeep was kind of scary, too. It had, like, angry eyes.
Yeah, it had weird shit on it, for sure.
I'm not sure why. Oh,
I remember that now.
Oh, grief. Oh, sugar. What is going on here? It's like a crane festival.
I think I'll just stay on this until Glendale.
Oh, jeez.
Cool pothole?
That fucking pothole is a fucking mess. I know where we are now.